The demand for budget-friendly smokers is hotter than ever, as more home cooks and backyard barbecue lovers look to master smoked meats without breaking the bank. From electric models to compact wood pellet grills, affordable smokers now offer premium features once reserved for high-end units. This guide evaluates key factors like build quality, smoking consistency, temperature control, capacity, and overall value, so you can fire up flavor on a budget. Listn East Oak 30-inch electric smoker for outdoors, built-in meat probe, and up to 6 times longer smokes on a single load. The East Oak 30-inch electric smoker is a feature-packed, budget-friendly model, perfect for beginners and seasoned grillers alike. It stands out with its built-in meat probe, offering real-time temperature readings without having to open the door. The innovative chip tray delivers up to 6 times longer smoke per load, reducing maintenance and boosting convenience. With 3 chrome-coated racks, it provides ample space for brisket. Listn East Oak Ridgewood Pro 30-inch electric smoker, built-in meat probe, and elevated stand for outdoors. Building on the base model, the East Oak Ridgewood Pro 30-inch offers premium enhancements while staying in the affordable range. The most notable upgrade? The elevated stand, which brings the smoker to a more ergonomic height for easier access during long cooks. Like its sibling, it features a built-in meat probe and an extended use wood chip tray for fewer reloads. The sleek digital control panel simplifies temp monitoring. Listn Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric vertical barbecue smoker with leg kit. A favorite in the smoking community, the Masterbuilt 30-inch digital electric smoker delivers serious performance at a wallet-friendly price. With 710 square inches of cooking space and a handy leg kit that raises the unit for convenience, this smoker is a solid entry-level choice. Its standout feature is the side wood chip loader, allowing you to add chips without opening the smoker and losing heat. The digital control panel makes temperature and time adjustments simple. List 4. Weston Brands 2-in-1 indoor electric smoker and programmable slow cooker, 6-quart. If you're tight on space or looking for indoor versatility, the Weston Brands 2-in-1 electric smoker is a unique and affordable option. Doubling as a programmable slow cooker, this 6-quart unit is perfect for small batches of smoked meats, cheeses, or veggies. It features a 3-tier smoking rack system inside a compact countertop design. The programmable digital interface allows for custom time and temperature settings. Listn Cuisinart 8-in-1 portable wood pellet grill and smoker. Tailgaters and RV travelers will love the Cuisinart 8-in-1 portable wood pellet grill and smoker, which delivers multiple cooking functions: grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, barbecue, sear, and char grill in a compact, portable body. Despite its size, it performs like a champ with steady pellet-fed heat and authentic smoke flavor. The digital controller lets you dial in precise temperatures between 180 Fahrenheit and 450 Fahrenheit,